Rudy, a tutti frutti, Rudy, a tutti frutti, Rudy, a tutti frutti, Rudy, a tutti frutti, Rudy, a womp bop a loo bop a womp bam boom. Hi guys, I was singing some songs with Zero the Hero. We like to dance. Dancing is great to get out some extra energy. Yes, and to feel really good in your bones. Yep, get your muscles going. Yep. And it's a cold day. It's a sunny day, but it's a chilly day here. Zero likes it when it's cold. He likes it when it's 0 degrees. You do. Yeah, you do. Well, it's not 0 degrees. It's not that cold. I mean, it is spring here in Ohio, but it's a cold day. Yeah. So at least I got out in the sunshine and got to dance a little bit with Zero the Hero. Yeah. I heard some sad news. Yeah. The guy that made that song, his name was Little Richard. He passed away. Oh, I know, it's sad. He died. Yeah, he was very old. But I did love listening to his music. He was a great creator of music. Just silly little songs, silly little ditties that you can do. Yeah. So if you get a chance today to dance, Zero likes to dance, get on the radio or ask Mom if she can download some of Little Richard's music and you can dance. It's lots of fun. He had a lot of really cool songs to sing. Yeah. Well, Zero is going to go sit down over here while I read a book about a bird. A purple bird. Do you like colors? Have you been studying your color words? Yeah, can you spell purple? Yeah? UR says in purple. And IR says in bird. Let's look at it. You go over there and sit down. Okay, you sit here. And I'm going to read this story about a purple little bird. If you put an R on a verb, it changes the sound of the verb. It does. So instead of ooh, it's not a poople, it's a purple little bird. And bird has an I, right? It's not a bid, it's a bird. You add an R and it makes it go Yeah. We talked a little bit about when you put an R on an A, instead of saying it says R, like a pirate, R. But if you put an R on a U, or you put an R on an I, it makes the sound. Purple little bird. Did you know that today is National Migratory Bird Day? Do you know what migratory means? You have no idea, do you? What does migratory mean? Migratory! Cindy knows what migratory means. What does migratory mean, Cindy? Migratory means you fly south, like to Brazil. Okay, you fly south. Yeah, so the birds that are in the cold areas in the summer and the spring, in the northern part, in the northern part of the globe, the world, they might fly south in the winter down to where the equator is, because it'll be warmer there. Yeah, they'll fly there in the winter. Yeah, and then when springtime comes and it gets too hot in that middle part, they'll fly north again. Yeah. We have Canada geese in Ohio. A lot of Canada geese. And they will fly in a V shape. Yeah, the leader stands in the point of the V, and then all the other ones in the group fly on their wings. They fly behind them in a V shape, and they will fly towards the southern areas when winter is coming, when the cold air is coming, and then they will fly north. They'll come back through Ohio when it's springtime. We've got ducks and geese and all kinds of animals, all kinds of birds, migratory birds, flying back in because spring and summer are coming. Now today it was cold, so they probably were really confused. I'm sure the Canada geese and the ducks were like, wait a minute, I thought I was going to some place where it's going to be warm now. What's up with that? So, May 9th is National Migratory Bird Day. Go out and learn about a migratory bird. Bluebirds are migratory. There's lots of migratory birds. Yeah, robins. The robins come back earlier. Actually, I think there are some varieties of robins that winter over. I don't know. Anyhow, cardinals stay all year. Yeah, they do. That's why you see cardinals in the wintertime on the white snow. And they're so pretty. Yeah. But they're an all-year bird. They're not migratory. They don't go somewhere else and come back. They stay here in Ohio. Yeah, migratory. They migrate. That means they move from one place to another. So migratory birds go north or south depending on the season. Yeah. Well, this is a story about a little bird. And here's an opportunity for you to practice your color words. Purple spells purple. The Purple Little Bird by Greg Foley. Purple little bird. Guess what color he likes to paint with? Purple. I did some painting in my house. It's fun to paint. Oh, look, there's a dedication. It says, "For the journey home." Purple little bird loved everything purple. He lived in a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. Look at his house. Purple. Purple, 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 purple. I think he likes purple. Purple makes me think of grapes. Do you like purple? Mm-hmm. Purple grapes, purple jelly. Purple little bird worked hard to make his house perfect. Oh, look. The R makes the E say in perfect. Oh, perfect. Look, he's got purple cookies, purple vase, a purple frame around his purple fixture, and a purple broom. He's even got a purple bucket, and a purple duster, and a purple stool. Oh. But no matter what he did, something wasn't quite right. I don't know. He's got purple everything. What could possibly be wrong? So one day he packed a bag. Oh. He's leaving. Does that make him a migratory bird? Maybe. And he went looking for a truly perfect place. Oh, but look at his purple house, and his purple fence, and his purple flowers, and his purple bushes, and his purple mailbox, and even a purple chimney. Where could he be going that wouldn't be perfect already? Seems perfect to me. Feels like perfect. And purple. Purple little bird walked all the way to Brown Bear's cave. Look, there's Brown Bear taking a nap. "I'm looking for the perfect place," he said. "Well, my cave is warm and cozy," said Brown Bear. Is it perfect? It's perfect for a bear. He likes it. "It is warm and cozy," said Purple Little Bird, "but it's too dark." Oh, kind of dark in there. Okay. So Purple Little Bird climbed a steep cliff to see Gray Goat. "I'm looking for the perfect place," he said. See the word gray goat? Yeah. Study your color words. You know, next year when you go to big kid school, you're going to have a lot of coloring to do and a lot of color words. I don't know why. It seems like every other worksheet has color words on it. So practice your color words so you can read them quickly. Yeah. "It's bright and sunny here," said Gray Goat. "It is bright and sunny," said Purple Little Bird, "but it's too windy." Oh, yeah? Mountain goats are very good at standing on the side of windy cliffs. They don't seem to mind it one bit. But poor little Purple Bird, he doesn't like that strong wind. Do the birds look disturbed in your neighborhood when it's a really windy day? Yeah. Our birds get very confused. Purple Little Bird continued on until he met Yellow Camel. "Maybe this is the perfect place," he said. Look, the little yellow camel in the yellow sand. Isn't he cute? "My desert is nice and quiet," said Yellow Camel. "It is nice and quiet," said Purple Little Bird. "But it's too dusty." Oh. Yep. The desert is dusty. I can see that. Then Purple Little Bird found Blue Frog in his pond. "I hope this is the perfect place," he said. Look at the little frog in the blue pond. Isn't it nice there? Frog likes it wet and moist. Moist in the pond. "My pond is very cool and refreshing," said Blue Frog. "It is cool and refreshing," said Purple Little Bird. "But it's too damp." Ugh. He doesn't like being wet. He's a bird. Frogs like it. They don't mind it one bit. So Purple Little Bird kept going until he saw a beautiful tree. Oh, look, there's possums in the tree. Huh? 3 pink possums hung there in a row. Opossums are very nice animals. Did you know that they eat ticks? Yes, they eat bugs. Huh? So don't hurt the possums. Let the opossums stay in your yard because they'll eat all the ticks and save your pets from getting tick bites. Leave those opossums alone. I mean, unless you don't want them to get into your trash. Yeah, keep your trash cans covered. They shouldn't be in there. They'll just get sick. Yeah. He told the pink possums all the places he'd been. We know a place, they said, that isn't too dark or windy or dusty or damp. Look, the bird has to hang upside down to talk to the pink possums. So Purple Little Bird followed the opossums. Where are they going? Have you ever seen baby possums riding on their mother's back? To his surprise, they stopped at a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. Purple Little Bird looked around. You know what's wrong with this place? He said. Where did they take him? They took him home, didn't they? It's much too purple. But now I know what to do. Well, he does like his purple house, but there's something missing. Oh, so they made it perfect. Oh, look. They added other colors to his house. Look, he even painted the flowers. This little opossum painted it blue, look, and a pink chimney and yellow on the edging of the house. And look, a green tree. He's painting the tree green. Oh, look. And there's his house. Painted all different colors. A pink tree, blue clouds. There's the yellow camel. There's the gray goat. And there's the brown bear. And there's a representation of the earth, the globe. That's Little Bird's little world. Purple Little Bird's world. Wouldn't it be boring if everything in your world was one color? My favorite color is, I don't have a favorite color. What's your favorite color? Oh, yeah, that is a nice color. But what if everything in your world was the same color? Wouldn't it be boring? Yeah. Your eyes would get tired of seeing that very same color all the time, wouldn't they? Your eyes would get sore. And then you wouldn't even be able to look at your food and know what color it's supposed to be. That could confuse your brain a lot. So try this. Try a game where you stare at one color for a very long time. And you count to 20. And then you blink. And then look at a white wall. And you know what your eyes do? Your eyes make you see the opposite color. It's true. So if you stare right in the center at a square or something that's one color, you want to try it? Watch this. Here, let's try a game. Hopefully your phone will, or your iPad will show you. Okay, so this is a green circle, right? So stare at the middle of this green circle for a very long time. Here, we're going to try it. We're going to try it together. Ready? We're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't blink. 8, 9, 10. All right, close your eyes really tight. Hurry, close them. All right, now look up at a white wall or a white ceiling. Open your eyes. What color do you see? What color did you see? Did you see red or pink, maybe? Yeah! Bye, guys. Hopefully this worked. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.